Boom! Welcome back to The Perfect Bag, everybody. My name is Clint, and today, well, gosh dang it, we're doing an unboxing video. When was the last time I did an unboxing video? I can't even remember, but I got this bag from King Kong, KNKG, to the cool kids. I just got this bag. It's their core pack. And I took one, well, I lifted the box. Can you hear that? Thing is heavy. So there's something going on with this box. Seems pretty special. I wanted to take a peek at it with all y'all. Here we go. Get out of there. There we go. Get out of there. This is from KNKG, King Kong. It's a gym focused brand, not J-I-M, gym, G-Y-M. It's for workouts. It's for the CrossFit set. It is for those who are taking care of their bodies and beyond, because this bag, I think, I have a suspicion, is also going to be pretty dang good for EDC. But more on this bag later. Let me scoot this way because my address is on there. And let me tear off my address because I didn't plan that part very well. There we go. And let's open and reveal. Wow. What do we have here? Pack for Greatness. This company clearly, listen to this. It's wood. This company has put in the moolah on their packaging for sure. Wow. Super smooth, right? Whoa. And they've got a mission statement right here. Our mission, should we choose to accept it, is to help you train, explore, and push your limits. Thank you for trusting us to carry, organize, and secure your gear. We're looking forward to a lifetime of packing for greatness with you. Look at this. Holy crap. Built to work. Look. This is pretty damn impressive. Wow. All right. So this has to go down as the coolest packaging that I have ever seen on a bag. Dang. Okay. Holy cow. Your gear, your grind, your like, that's awesome. Wow. Wowzers. Holy cow. This is something else. And look at this wax canvas. Whoo! Bringing the heat. Man, I can't wait to test out this bag. Cannot wait. Got the leather grip. Wow. Wow. What do you think of this incredible packaging? This brand has certainly paid attention to detail. Okay, more on this bag soon. I've got to test it out and check it out. But goodness gracious. I've done one other King Kong bag on the channel. And I've got to say, this already feels... that was a pretty good bag, by the way. This is better. Wow. Top loader. I love a freaking good top loader. Okay, so more to come on this core pack and wax canvas, camo wax canvas, and damn, like, that's pretty impressive. Oh, a good old unboxing video. I hope y'all enjoyed that as much as I did. I will put this bag through its paces next week, and then I will produce a video for your enjoyment. Y'all, thank you, as always, for the love and the support, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.